So today I want to tell you something about my Rivet template, doing with glue. They look like this. When I offer it in the shop, they are 1 meter long in different designs. I have 9 at the moment in different diameters of the holes and different distance. So the way to work with it is very easy. You can remove it from the paper and put it where you need to glue it on the model. What I do every time is that I overlap something like this, that you can strip it down very easy at the end. I also offer the Rivet glue in my shop, and that's now very easy. You have to put a lot of Rivet glue here over the holes. You have to take a look and you have to take care that all holes are really covered, so you can do it like this. There's no hurry, so you can take your time, not too long, then the glue is hard. But you can also remove it directly after you put it on, very slowly, because as you can see on the back side there is the glue which has to come out and goes back to the dot. So you can use this tape again if you want. You have to put it on the back of the paper, press it on, and then you need a lot of water to clean it again. You can do that 1-2 times. After that the glue underneath fits not very well at the end. But here, as you can see, you have the right distance, you have the right diameter of each rivet. Yeah, that's very easy. And if you want a cross section with the rivets, you have to wait. Then you can kneel down on that area and put the tape in this 90-degree direction or whatever you need. And then you have to do the same again, like I show you here.